How to create gems in Gemini to 10x your productivity with AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search gemini.google.com. Then click on three lines at the top left and click on Explore Gems. In here, you will find all the gems available. You can simply click on it to chat with the gem as well. After you click on it, you can simply type in your question. It will also give you options to ask questions. And if you want to create your own gem, go back to the same page and click on New Gem. After you've clicked on New Gem, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, give your gem a name, then type in your instructions. Type in how your gem should act like. Then scroll down, you will also find option to write with an AI if you click on the magic wand-like option. After you're done doing that, you can scroll down, add more knowledge if you want, or from where it can search. After you're done, press on save at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on save, it will save in your account. Then you can simply click on Start Chat and then you can ask any question you want. And this is how to create gems in Gemini. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.